thank you so much for subscribing to the YouTube channel. It's amazing. We are growing, you know what I mean. I just need to you know what I mean, we're gonna put in the energy just to let the people them know exactly what Chef Ricardo have in store for them for the future, and also healthy recipe. Anyway, I love you all and thank you guys for your comments and subscribing. This is a beautiful salad, rocket and pineapple with a lot of bits and pieces in it. So stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get a lot more recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. One love. We love you so much, and see you next time again, guys. We love you. See you next. Nice and lovely. Welcome back with Chef Ricardo Salad Bar channel, guys. It's amazing. Anyway, I want to do you a quick recipe and a quick update. At the moment, I got some racket and some diced pineapple inside of it. So I want to give you a pineapple and rocket salad. Alright, so we started process already. Basically, I'm gonna get some apple, also put some apple inside of it, also half of an apple, tomato, nice one. I got some cucumber I want to use inside of it also. Nice one. Some red onion for color. You don't have to put the red onion if you doesn't like red onion. But as I said, you know what I mean, it might just bring in a lovely flavor to it. Nice one. Next, I'm going to put some olive oil, pepper, nice one, and also a little bit of honey. Nice, I love it, guys. I know you guys will love this one. And also I got some baby seed, some berry seeds, nuts mix. I'm gonna put some nuts in it, like almond, raisin, pumpkin seed, and all these things. Chop that straight inside of it like this. Nice one. Make sure you get a bowl which we're going to use to serve it. So basically, just simply put on the gloves. Just give it a lovely rub up like this. And then a lovely, nice, lovely flavor to it. So what we're going to do, when you mix it up, get your bowl. Simple. Start to serve it, guys. Really nice and lovely. Pineapple and rocket with a lot of different kind of stuff inside of it. It's just a healthy salad for the summer. I don't know, my fans will definitely love this one. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team, and hopefully you will love this one. As you can see, got the pineapple, got rocket, you got a few bits and pieces in it, tomato, cucumber, healthy salad for the summer, and hopefully guys just enjoy. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Salad Bar. As you can see, it's just a beautiful rocket and pineapple salad. It's just amazing with tomato, cucumber, and bits and pieces, red onion. Enjoy it, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.